Welcome back, students. We are dealing with chapter States of Matter, chapter 5, class 11. Today we have to discuss the postulates of kinetic molecular theory, which is based on gas laws and it is also called as microscopic model of gases. See, according to this theory, all the gases are made up of small particles, tiny particles. The particles are moving in a random motion. They are keep on colliding with one another in any direction. The particle of gases are separated from each other by a large distance. The collision between the particle is perfectly elastic. That means there is no loss or gain of energy between the particles. There is no force of attraction between the particles. Interaction means attraction as well as repulsion between the particles. The pressure exerted by the gas particle is on the wall. Suppose the gas particles are placed in a container. When they are striking on the wall of the container, it is responsible for developing a pressure, and kinetic energy of the gas particle is directly proportional to absolute temperature. These are the postulates of kinetic molecular theory. Students, we have discussed 5 gas laws: Boyle's law, Charles' law, Avogadro law, Galuzok law, and combined gas equation. See, PV is equal to nRT is a combined gas equation. The gases which follows this combined gas equation is called as ideal gases. The gases which are not following this equation, that is PV is equal to nRT, those gases are called as real gases. See students, let's discuss the difference between ideal gas and real gases with the help of graph. See student, when we are plotting a graph between pressure volume product and pressure, where PV is taken in y-axis and P is taken in x-axis, as we all know, in Boyle's law, PV is constant, product of pressure and volume is constant. So this type of graph is obtained for the ideal gases. But two other graphs are observed. In that graphs, one gas showing decrease in pressure, decrease in PV product with the increase of pressure and then start increasing, and in other type of gas shows increase in PV product pressure volume product by increasing the pressure. Now we have to found that why this type of graphs are observed and what are the factors which are responsible for developing this type of graphs. Let's discuss. Students, by discussing the previous graphs, two questions arises in our mind: why the gas deviate from ideal gas behavior and what are the conditions under which the gases deviate. I am again repeating, the two questions are arises: why this type of deviations are observed and what are the factors which are responsible for this deviations. And when we have to calculate the measurement of the other deviation, then we calculate with the help of this. Z is equal to PV upon nRT. It is called as compressibility factor. As we all know, PV is equal to nRT. If the compressibility factor is 1, that means the gas is real. There are two conditions: Z is less than 1 or Z is greater than 1. Those gases in which Z is less than 1, it is called as showing negative deviation, and having Z is greater than 1, positive deviation. What it means? It means the gases are more compressible if Z is less, intermolecular force of attraction between the gases is greater. That's why they are compressible. If it is greater, that means the gases are incompressible and intermolecular force of attraction between the particle is less. That's why they are not easily compressed. Students, according to kinetic gas postulates, the gases are not occupying the space they are small in size and they are not occupying the space in comparison to the total volume of the under observation area. And same, the other postulate is the gas particles are not showing intermolecular force of attraction as well as repulsion between them. So these two postulates of kinetic gas are not followed when the pressure is high and temperature is low. How? See, when pressure is high, the particles, the gas particles which are away from each other come closer to one another, and volume occupied by the gas particle is not negligible as compared to total volume. That means the gas particle is occupying the space at high pressure, and when the temperature is low, the gas particles again come closer to one another. When the particles come closer to one another, two conditions are arises: either there is attraction or repulsion between them. So the two postulates of kinetic gas theory are not followed at high pressure and low temperature, and that is the main cause of showing the deviation in ideal gas behavior. Now, correction of deviation is called as van der Waals equation. See, there are certain corrections are done in ideal gas equation due to these high pressure and low temperature condition. Students, the equation PV is equal to nRT. Volume is the total volume of the gas in which it is placed, or it is the area where the particles are free to move in a container. So when the condition is high pressure, the particles come closer to one another and particles are occupying the space of the container. So total volume of the container reduced, and total volume, if the total volume reduced, that means volume should be less as we expected. So there is a correction due to volume is V corrected is equal to, V is equal to, that is the corrected one, V minus NB, where V is a total volume of the container, N is a number of moles of gas particle, and B is a corrected factor. Now, correction due to the pressure. See student, in a equation PV is equal to nRT, P is the pressure that is developed by the particles at the wall of the container. See, at the low temperature, when the particles come closer to one another, they are showing less pressure on wall of the container. So the observed pressure is less than the calculated pressure. So the corrected pressure is equal to P plus P dash, where P dash is equal to A upon N square V square, P corrected. So now the pressure, volume is corrected, pressure is corrected. So the new form of equation, that is for the real gas, is equal to P plus A N square upon V square, V minus NB is equal to nRT. That is the equation for the real gases. Thank you students. That's all for today.